Welcome back, guys, to another hip hop breakdown. This is the intermediate version. Today, I got the lovely Lexi here with me, and we are going to show you four, not two, but four incredible hip hop dance choreography breakdown for you guys. So check it out. And also, guys, make sure you stick to the end because I have my performance class doing the previous routine. Continuing on, so you're gonna see an entire eight counts of dance choreography here, so you can see what it looks like. However, let's get down to today's choreography breakdown. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 6, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 8. 2, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we got it right there. High five. Bam. Cool. Guys, one more time. I want to make sure that you guys are aware that I do put out these contents every week. Almost every day, actually. But it is here for you guys. Okay. So you guys know how we break things down. First thing we want to do is dissect the bottom half and then add the top half, all right? So make sure you understand. Get your full attention on to what the legs are doing right now. And we'll break it down 4 counts at a time. So notice the 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna watch this in halftime. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right, so if you guys didn't catch that, I want you to look at the bottom half, just the leg. Here we go, one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So obviously, wind it back one more time. Make sure you guys got to understand what I'm talking about. Though I'm looking at this, all right, you guys are looking at me. This is my right leg. So I'm hopping over to the right side. Right when I hop, I'm kicking in the air. This is my 1. Boom, right on the 1. Lexi got a nice kick right there too. That's 1, all right? On the end, I'm going to change my leg. And right here, change. This is left leg is in the air. 1 and, that's the 2. That's the quick tap because you're tapping. 2 and 3. Watch that. And 3. Now come back. All right. 1 and 2 and 3. And 4, we don't do anything with the legs. Okay. So you should get the legs. If you don't have it, rewind back so you guys know what I'm talking about. Now, let's do the arms. Rewind back. Look at the arms. What are the arms doing? Here we go. Circle. 1 and 2. Shake. And hide behind your back. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and hide behind your back. We have 1. Notice how the arm is doing like a circular motion. Okay, so this is 1 and 2. All right, and now I'm gonna bring it back. Shake. And 3. Then I'm gonna push it out, both arms out, and come around to the back. And 4 right there. All right, guys, that's good. That's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All the way, we get the bottom half and the top half. Moving on to 5, 6, 7, 8. Going back to focusing on just the legs. Stepping out. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Real quick, rewind that one more time. Stepping out on the 5. This is going to be my left leg stepping out. Left leg. 5. Here's the 5. And I'm stepping behind. All right, hooking behind. 5 and this is 6. And on the end, see here's the toe. Tap. And 7. Okay, and 7. And then you're going to do a switch. This is more like this move is called more like a camel walk. And 8, okay? It's not real camel walk because we're not walking, but basically we're switching our knees, okay? All right, and that's it. As far as the arms, there's really not much to it, but I do want to rewind and watch, make sure you're aware of the and 7. So there's something going on with the arms. This is 4, moving forward. Here we go. 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Arms are still kind of not doing anything. And right there, that's when it moved, okay? So this is my left arm pulling over to my right side, doing like a pull action. That's the and 7 right there, okay? And that's it. And 8, arms aren't doing anything. Okay, rewind it back. Let's watch this entire 1-8 count together at half speed. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 right there. Good, guys. Hopefully you got that. If you don't, always use the bookmark. All right, I have bookmark or timestamp on the little menu thing right here, the timeline thing, so you could go back to wherever you want to review what you need to do. Okay, let's move forward. This is the second 8 count. Again, let's focus on the legs. Here we go. We got 1, 2. Okay, we're gonna do a switch. Now, just want to let you guys know I did slip. It slipped back. You don't have to slide back. Okay, you're just changing your knees right here. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more time. I'm gonna rewind that so you guys know what I'm talking about. So right here, this is my right knee. So right on the 1, boom, switch to the left knee. Lexi forgot to do that. That's all right. So left knee, boom, right knee. Okay, now I'm gonna step 4 on the 3. Step on 3 and 4. Notice on the 3 and 4, I'm doing a 180, right? I'm turning. So before I was facing this way, which is our right side. Now we're gonna face to the left side. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Arms, really no arms. The only thing that we gotta focus on is the legs. Or actually, I'm sorry, not the legs, the hip. Okay, the tilting angle. Right now we're taking a bow, like thank you very much, right? Boom, right there, thank you, right? That's the 1. Come up on the 2, 2. Then walk it over, right on the 3. Notice on the 3, I'm starting my turn already, right? Look at my toes right there. I'm already pointing 90 degrees to the right side. 3, and by the end, I'm almost back, right? I'm almost facing back. Lexi do a great job right there. 3, and on the 4, I'm gonna jump out, legs apart. Bam, right there, my legs apart. I don't know if you could tell. You should be able to tell, but at this 90-degree angle, it's harder to tell. Let's take a look at Lexi's. You could tell a little bit better on this angle. Legs are apart on the 4. Okay. All right, good. Moving forward. Guys, this next part is probably the hardest part of this entire routine, so we got to really pay attention right here. Okay, here we go. Now, this is 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That's a lot of information right there, so we're going to go real slow. I'm going to tell you exactly what we're doing right there, okay? So, right on the 5, my shoulder, my right shoulder, which is away from the camera. You can't see my right shoulder. You can see a little bit better on Lexi's right shoulder, okay? Right on the 5. 5 right there, okay? Right shoulder goes up, 5. On the end, this is where my knee collapsed. This is good right here. You can see Lexi's knee, okay? So knee collapse in together. Heel goes apart. Heel goes out. Knee goes in. That's 5 and. Right on the 6, boom, change the shoulder, okay? We don't change the leg yet. So 5 and 6. Let's go back. Let's go back. Here we go. Right here. 5 and 6. On the 6, left shoulder comes up. Now you're gonna go and 7. On the and 7, you're doing a pivot turn and you're actually moving. Okay. But when you first learn this, just go knees out, knees in. Okay? Knees out, knees in. And then you got the and 8 right there. I know I kind of skipped a little bit. So here we go. Let me count it real good. This is 4. Moving forward. Here we go. We have 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Guys, hopefully you can see that. I know it's kind of hard to teach it at this angle, but the students that were in the class, this is more of a review for you guys, and anybody else who wants to learn, you can chat on. Okay, anyways, 7 and 8. Okay, guys, moving on to the next step. Focus on the legs again. You have 1, 2, 3, and 4. This should be very familiar, all right? We kind of did something like this earlier. So we're bending down on the 1, okay? So right knee in the front right here. This is the 8. 1. This is the left knee. 1, 2, and stepping forward with the left leg. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. And again, arms aren't doing anything. It's just the waist, right? The waist is bending down on the 1. 1. Coming up on the 2. 2. And then we got the 3 and 4. Okay, good. Guys, moving forward. Next up, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8 right there. This is almost like a jazz square if you guys think about it, okay? So right here, 3 and 4. And I'm jumping across. I'm jumping with cross and landing with my right leg in the front. This is the 5, okay? Step out on the 6. step forward on the 7, cross your leg on the 8. Okay. And as far as arms, really nothing to it. You kind of just use it as counterbalance as you walk, as you do the jazz square. Okay. One more time. Let's check it out. 3 and 4. There's 3 and 4. Ready for the jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross it on the 8. Okay. Guys, ready? Move forward. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right there. We're almost done, guys. We're almost done. I promise you. Okay, here we go. This is the 8. Kicking out with the 1. Here's the 1. Kick out on the 1 and right on the and, I got to land with my knees in. Okay. Toes pointing in, knees in. 1 and 2. Okay. Legs out on 2. Or toes out on 2. Knees bent. And 3. And 3. Let's rewind back just a little bit. 2. This is and. It's like I'm grabbing something to my left side and I'm shaking it, right? And 3. Shake it down. And then I'm going to go and 4. And just stomp together. And 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's watch one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. Moving forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, guys. We're almost done. We're just going to walk forward. Okay. Right leg first. Walk, 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 walk. And then turn. 180-degree turn. Boom. And then there's your 8. And you walk out. Okay. And that's it. And if you have a friend right there, you give them a high five. Kabam! Right there. Okay? Cool. Guys, hopefully you guys got that down. Use the markers to your advantage so you can review what you need to do. All right, guys. As promised, this is the class, performance class, doing the entire routine. All 8 counts. Let's check it out. Here we go. 5, 6, here we go. 2, 4, 6, and 8. Two, 3, and 4. Almost done. 5, 6, 7. Walk it off. All right. Great job.